scrape crazy. Yo, you heard that scrape?
Yo, what was that, yo?
Yeah.
Sound like metal.
Exhaust probably, downpipe.
That's what I was saying. Probably muffled.
Yeah.
Anything on that angle?
Yeah. She messed me up, bro.
That's crazy because I've never scraped this fucking diffuser on that driveway.
I know.
That's one of the most aggressive driveways I've ever pulled into. That I actually will.
It's crazy,
Otherwise,
bro.
I'm like, okay, I'll just party in the street today.
Facts.
In a neighborhood like this, you know what I mean?
Yep. You ready? All right, go. I'll follow you. Already left me in the dust, bro. Crazy. I'm trying to dial in this exhaust sound, so hopefully the wind isn't too crazy. Sounding crazy. Jim warming up the tires. Car is definitely warmed up. That's a fact. I hate this turn, bro. cop. He good. Bro, his exhaust setup sounds so good, bro. They be saying the S55 don't sound good. We're gonna be doing way more videos with JMO coming up, bro. Way more videos. He's just waiting on lap their lip to get finished being painted, and then his build is gonna look crazy, bro. We're gonna do a full build breakdown on it. What do you text me? Scrape here. Turbo's going crazy right now. M's on the block. Touchdown at the spot. No rubbing, bro. We had like sandbags in here. Yo, show the trunk, JMO. They be saying that F80 can't fit stuff, bro.
You can't bring the pack with you.
Bro, look at this, man. Full trunk. Peep the fitment, though. No rubbing. Crazy. Bill going crazy right now, bro. Crazy. Fresh paint on the full front end. Paint match side skirts. Paint match everything, bro.
Paint match sandbox.
Paint match sandbox, paint match bin, paint match calipers, center caps too. Stop playing. Soon to be paint match. Working on it. Soon to be paint match. It's the best feeling, bro. We pulled up to the block. You got my car, Jimbo cars there. Mo's car, which you've seen on my Instagram. We've been posting a bunch of videos. Beautiful G80, brand new 2026 in Dravic Gray. Already got the lip, front grills, KW V2 coilovers or V3. Fitment is perfect. Interior Silverstone buckets. Like, you literally can't do better than this. Full IRL exhaust. Sounds great. This is literally the dream, bro. We got the full, all the boys outside. Lucas's M330 CSL. You guys know this car already. Looking great. And yeah, over here we got Imran's brand new M4. And Gleesy Green, already doing the works for it. Full Valvetronic exhaust. Look at this color, man. Color's beautiful. CS style wheels. Literally perfect spec, bro. Perfect spec. Crazy. Already got the even series in here. Can't go better than this, bro. It's perfect. But this is what it's all about, man. Jambo polishing the lip, getting all the.
I'm getting the residue off, bro.
Getting the residue off right now. Boys always working, man. Boys are always working. Yeah, man. This is the life here. This is the life we all want to live. We all got our cars, pull up, hang out for a bit, and yeah, tomorrow's gonna be a movie, bro. So this video is not gonna be too long, but I appreciate you guys for watching, man. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe. Like I mentioned in the other video, we're gonna be pushing out tons of content. Like, I've been nonstop filming, and this weekend should be a banger. So we're gonna drop at least 2 or 3 videos from this weekend. And yeah, man, enjoy it. So if you're new to the channel, like I said, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for all the mods I'm putting on this car, man. I can't wait to show you guys the vision I have for this car. It is going to be the best 440 on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, everything. But just trust me, bro. You guys are not gonna wanna miss it. So with that being said, I'm out, man. Peace.